Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert a CSV file to OFX format on Mac and import it into Quickbooks Online and Xero. We will use CSV2OFX converter, and you can download it at ProperSoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start CSV2OFX and select a CSV file. Review transactions before importing. Check that dates are correct, that expenses are negative, payments to the account are positive, payee names are assigned, memo assigned, other columns like check number is assigned if present. And before creating our OFX file, set the account ID and account type and currency. Those are three important things for the OFX file. There is different parameters like balance, bank ID, branch ID, and if you have specific software like Microsoft Money 99, then OFX file will be a little different than, let's say, regular OFX file. Or so if you see your software listed, then select it so your OFX file has less issues when you import it into that accounting software. To create an OFX file, click the convert button. Confirm the file name, convert the file location, and have your OFX file created. Now we can switch to Quickbooks Online and import created OFX file. In Quickbooks Online, click Banking, select your account, and click File Upload to upload your OFX file. Click Browse button and select an OFX file. Quickbooks Online imports CSV files as well, but there's different set of columns that it can import. So for CSV file, it imports only date, amount, and description. And for OFX file, it imports date, amount, payee, description, check number. Check that account ID is what you're looking for, account type is what you're looking for, date range is what you're looking for, and select account to import your data. In Quickbooks, select account in Quickbooks. Click the next button to finish import. And now you have to review imported transactions and add them to the register. As you can see, payee column is empty because this is vendor records from Quickbooks. So you assign vendor records for each transaction. This is not payee from the OFX file. So once Quickbooks learns your choices, next OFX import will be easier because Quickbooks will be pre-selecting data for you. Now let's try to import created OFX file into Xero. In Xero, the import is similar. You select account and then look for import statement. On import statement, you click Browse button and locate your OFX file and click Import. Now your data is imported. You can finish import by assigning vendor records, by assigning categorizing transaction, or assigning expense income accounts. And that's it. Thank you for watching.